Sugadev. Welcome to Dev's Kitchen. Today we are going to see village style recipe. Village style cooking, it's completely unique, simple, at the same time healthy. So in that way we should not forget what the villagers have taught us. So today we are going to see village style salted mutton. In Tamil we call it as uppu curry. For this recipe you don't need to add anything. It's just the chili, onion and the salt. That's why it is called as salted mutton. And this recipe is so tasty. You can even have the onion and chili in that recipe. And it goes very well with kanji, rasam and white rice. Before we get into the recipe, please do subscribe and enable the notifications. Come, let's quickly get into the recipe. Thank you. Let's see what are the requirements. 20 small onions which I have cut into halves. You should avoid big onions. And 5 green chilies which I have cut into big pieces. And 15 curry leaves. And 1 tablespoon of grated coconut. And half a teaspoon of mustard and urad dal. And quarter kg of mutton. So if you see here, I have taken small amount of liver also. So this is both liver and mutton together, quarter kg. It's up to you whichever way you want. You can take only mutton also, that's fine. And in the cooker you have to put the mutton and fill water to the mutton level and add salt. I'm adding 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt and mix it and put a weight, and I'm going to keep 4 whistles in high flame and after that 5 minutes in sim flame. So now it's perfectly cooked for me. If not for you, you have to cook for more time, that's fine, but ensure that the meat is cooked. Just we have to take the meat alone from the water and keep the water safe. We will be using the water. Once the pan gets heated, let's add 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, mustard and urad, chilies, onions. Let's just give a fry, and curry leaves. Let the onions turn white like this. Now let's add the meat. So if you are using liver like how I am using, better avoid adding liver at this stage because liver will become hard. At the time of adding water, we can add the liver. Now just fry it for 1 minute in high flame and add salt. I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. As per your requirement, you can add salt. We have already added salt at the time of using cooker. So now it's 1 minute. Let's add the mutton starch. The water which we used for cooking the mutton. We are adding that water. And let's add the liver now at this stage. So this water has to be completely reduced. Till that time we have to cook it properly. If you want, you can use a lid for 2 minutes so that the extract of chilies and onions will get into the recipe. So now it's almost reduced, the water. So at this stage we have to add the grated coconut and mix it nicely, and it's ready. We can turn off the stove. It's perfectly ready. See how yummy it looks, guys. Such a simple recipe. Definitely you have to try. Thank you.